Select the Explain Everything app from the home screen. From the Explain Everything home screen, you can view the screencasts you have made and saved. To create a new screencast from scratch, you will choose the plus icon. To create a screencast from existing photos or videos, choose the icon with the plus in front of the paper. To export a screencast, choose the arrow, then the screencast you want to export, then choose how you would like to export it. Let's create a screencast from scratch. Select a template. Here is the screen you will see when recording a screencast. The toolbars at the left and the bottom will not be shown in your screencast. The toolbar at the left shows the tools available for you to use. First is the pointed finger. This allows you to select items and move them around the screen. This will be like your mouse. Next is the pen. Select this tool to draw on the screen. To change the pen settings, hold down the icon. Here, you can change the width of the pen. To change the color of the pen, select one of the 3 colored squares at the bottom of the screen. To choose a color that isn't shown, hold down one of the squares and choose a new color. Next is the Shape tool. This allows you to add shapes to your screencast. Again, hold down the icon to select the shape you want to add. Next is the Shape tool. This allows you to add shapes to your screencast. Again, hold down the icon to select the shape you would like to add. To change the color of the shape you will add, select a square at the bottom of the screen before adding the shape. The A icon allows you to add text to your screencast. Tap anywhere on the screen, then enter your text. To change the color of the text, select one of the squares at the bottom of the screen. To change the font or font size, hold down the A icon and choose one of the options. The next icon allows you to add media to your screencast. Here, you can add photos and videos on your iPad, audio from your iPad, or even open a new browser to annotate a web page within your screencast. To add photos and videos, select the first option. Choose the item you would like to add, and then choose Done when it shows you the preview. The photo will be added to your screencast. You can also add existing items from Dropbox, Google Drive, Evernote, and other apps. The next icon allows you to delete a selected item by clicking on the X in the top right-hand corner. When the pen is selected, the X icon turns into an eraser. This allows you to erase what you have written with the pen. If you move on from the pen and then come back to it, you will not be able to erase previous drawings. The next icon is a pointer. Hold it down to view pointer options. My favorite is the lightsaber. When you select the next icon and select an item that is on your screen, it shows you a number of options. To deselect, tap anywhere on the screen. The next icon is the undo button. This will be very useful to you. When the magnifying glass icon is selected, you can pinch zoom in or zoom out on your screen. The last icon changes the display to full screen. Here you can use icons to write or go back and forth to other slides. To return to the screen with the toolbars, select the icon again. The bottom toolbar is all about your slides and recording. Use the arrows to go to the next or a previous slide. Use the plus sign to add a new slide, and use the two small triangles to view all the slides that you have created. The next four icons are to use when recording. The first is to rewind. The red circle is to begin recording. The triangle is to play your recording. The next icon is to fast forward. The rectangle to the right of these icons allows you to edit your recording. The arrow icon next to this allows you to make a new recording that replaces the existing one or is mixed with the existing one. The best way to understand recording is to play around with it before recording your final product. The next icons allow you to export and save your screencast. The first is to export the screen as an image. The next icon is to export the screencast as a video. The next icon allows you to name your project and then save it within Screencast. The home icon allows you to return to the home screen. Be sure to choose yes if you would like to save your screencast. There is a lot to take in about the Explain Everything app. Spend some time playing with the tools and features and you will be making your own screencasts in no time.